It's great to not be working and to just have some time to myself, to just chill out. We've got the whole day ahead of us, come back from the gym. So first thing first is breakfast. But even before breakfast, advent calendar. Shout out to my girl for getting me an advent calendar. I don't know if anyone else had advent calendars when they were younger, but I certainly didn't. So having one when I'm older, surprisingly does get me excited. Even this little tiny piece of chocolate every morning. Breakfast out of the way, we can really get into the day. Now, on my days off, I actually do like to be productive. I don't like to just chill around, watch TV and whatnot, and just kind of rot away. I like to do things like making videos or baking. Now, one of my favorite sweet snacks is banana bread. So it's only right that I know how to make a banging banana bread. So we've got some very overripe bananas, probably a little bit too overripe for what I would tend to use. Nonetheless, they'll be great for this, and we don't want to waste these bananas. So it's perfect for banana bread. Got the rest of the ingredients over here as well. And when I make banana bread, I like banana bread with chocolate chips. You know, the traditionalists might not like banana bread that includes chocolate chips, but what about you guys? Like chocolate chips or no chocolate chips? Banana bread is in. Now we wait. So the banana bread is done now, but I have to let it wait and sit and cool down for about an hour or so before I take it out. Otherwise, like once you take it out of the oven when it's hot, it just kind of just falls apart. I've never done that, but I know not to. I love banana bread, so I know how to bake it. It's probably going to be a lot darker when I do come to cut it because it's like 2-3 p.m. and it's already getting dark here in London. Like wintertime is so miserable and it's so peak how early the sun goes down. But I'll show you nonetheless, and we gotta obviously give it a taste test. Let's cut this and see how it is. I will say that it does feel very moist inside, which is great. So excited about that. Now for the real moment of truth, the taste test. I feel like I should get like a center bit so I can properly assess the moistness of the banana bread rather than the heel. All right. Yeah, I'm happy about that. It's not too sweet. I use 100 grams less sugar than they advised. I think it's quite moist in the middle. Could be a little bit moister, I think. At the same time, I do think banana bread is on the more drier side. Maybe I'm wrong. And maybe this is just a learning curve, and it's one of those things, like, I need to be able to make banging banana bread, so it's a work in progress. But all in all, I would definitely give this a strong 8 out of 10. This is my 3rd time making banana bread, and I think I'm getting better and better each time. I lied. It's so moist. Last thing I would say is my secret ingredient is peanut butter. Gives it that nice salty flavor to it, which I love. At my girlfriend's house for the weekend, and as you can see from this Christmas tree, it is quite festive in here. We're gonna head out for a little walk now. Wash the car as well whilst we're at it, because it is a little bit dirty. But there's some kind of blue skies and it's kind of sunny, which is nice, especially since it's been raining so much over the last few days. So getting outside, stretching the legs will be very enjoyable with some sun. It just makes it so much better when there's a little bit of sun. Even if it's freezing cold, the sun just makes it 10 times better. So let's go. Going to show you guys the fit properly, but it started raining, so we better leave. All right, so we've got some packages that have landed, so let's do a little bit of unboxing. Selfishly, these packages are pretty much all for me, even though it's like really close to Christmas. First one, Amazon, classic. If you don't know about skin food, then get to know about skin food. This is really the best hand cream ever. Keeps your hands so moisturized. It's 10 out of 10. I love it, even though it's like 15 pounds. What is this? Oh, this is an LED video light that I picked up. I thought that it could be nice for some of my videos, so yeah, just gonna try this out. I think this came in about 30 pounds. We'll see how this turns out. That's done with the Amazon stuff. This package, when I picked it up, I was like, I'm not really too sure what it is, but I have an idea of what it is now. And it is exactly what I thought it was. This is the jumper that I bought for my girlfriend for her birthday, I was gonna say. But this is for Christmas. Beautiful Paloma wool jumper in this lovely lime green with the Paloma wool 89 on the back. She's gonna love that. She's gonna wear this loads. Very happy about that. Need to wrap it. Do you guys enjoy wrapping? Because like, I used to enjoy wrapping a lot, but as I got older, I'm just like, I hate it. It's so jarring. I'm excited to wrap her present because she's so excited about this jumper, but otherwise, wrapping is not something I get a lot of enjoyment out of. On to the next one. This one is from Reese. So I picked up a pair of women's jeans in like an ecru/cream colorway. Picked them up in a 12 regular. I'm not gonna lie, on first looks of these jeans, I'm not that gassed about them. The waist also looks tiny, look at that. And this is a size 12. Maybe I should have got more than one. I also feel like maybe it looks a little bit short. I know you can't see that. Anyway, I'm gonna try it on, see what you guys think, see if it even fits me. Then this last one, which I was in the process of opening, but for some reason I got distracted. This is from My Teresa. I bought a pair of Royal Hiking trainers. Packaging is beautiful, just to show you guys that again and point that out. Look at that. With love from My Teresa. Sensational. I just love it when items are packaged really beautifully. It just makes the whole shopping experience so much better. I don't even want to ruin this, but listen, I need to get to my item. Okay, here they are. Look at these. I think they are so beautiful. I've tried them on previously because I copped them from End. I think I copped them in like a size 9. This is an 8.5, so don't know how these are gonna fit. But these were on sale for about $220, I wanna say, down from $450. So I thought that was a pretty good bargain. And Royal Hiking, if you know anything about Royal Hiking, the quality of the materials is insane. And that is reflected in the price point, which are a little bit eye-watering. Some of the prices of the shoes and the clothing, but fully waterproof, Vibram sole. So let's try these on and the jeans. So we've got the jeans on. I'm not gonna lie, they ain't that bad. When I first put them on, I was just a bit like, they're a bit too tight. My only qualm is they seem a bit thin, because I don't know where the label is, but when you turn to one side, you can kind of see the label, which seems a little bit see-through. So I feel like the jeans are a bit thin. It's surprising given that the recommended retail price for these was 135. I think I got them for 75 pounds. The waist is very snug. The only other thing that I'd probably like to do is try on a size bigger. I bought these yesterday and they arrived today. So that's pretty good, especially since we're in the Christmas period. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like the drop isn't too bad as well. The opening at the hem seems quite wide. Seems wide enough for me in terms of what I would like. Let's just try on these shoes and see what they're saying as well. Here are the trainers. I feel like we're probably gonna need a close-up, given that I'm so far away and I'm just showing the full body, but we will get a close-up on foot of these. The jeans are stacking nicely on these trainers, by the way. Yeah, if I get a 14 in these, it could be calm. But anyway, let's focus on the trainers. They're very comfy, lightweight, which I'd expect for a Vibram sole, and just the construction of these. I think they're made from like calf skin, I want to say, the suede. Obviously, Royal Hiking, they're going to be great for outdoors, trekking, any trail type of stuff, or any weather conditions where it's going to get cold, icy, etc. These are going to be perfect. The only thing I have a question mark over is the fact that I'm wearing kind of thick heat tech socks from Uniqlo, and they fit very well. When I go to like thinner socks, are these going to be too small for me? Anyway, we'll figure it out. I'll change my socks and then we can have a real assessment. Okay, so jeans, I'm like 50-50 on. Shoes, I'm like 70-30. I just need to mull it over. Maybe over some mulled wine. I don't actually have any mulled wine in my house, but anyway, I really like the jeans, but I'm not like, yo, I need these. These are so banging. There's also another pair of cargos from Our Legacy, which have gone on sale from $350 to $390. No, from $350 to $190. Is that still too expensive? I feel like these brands have me thinking that $350 is calm for a particular price point, but even though it's like 100% cotton, like, am I just spending too much on the brand? I feel like I probably am. And $190, I've only spent $190 on cargos before, but I don't know if I need to spend another $190 on some cream cargos. But if I got those, obviously I wouldn't need these jeans, but at the same time, jeans and cargos are very different. Anyway, there's a lot of thoughts going on in my mind, so let me just think about these because I can't keep everything, and I also have a few other purchases on their way, which I will show you guys when they land. But for now, just some time to myself to think about these purchases.